This review recordings may not be details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, yes, it is required to present photo ID and check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is superb and guests have to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. For more details, check the description.
You are facing any kind of problem regarding this property, you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. You have already